How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome to Facebook Ads for Small Businesses, where I teach small business owners just like you exactly how to run Facebook ads for your business, so you don't have to pay someone like me thousands of dollars a month to do it for you. In today's video, guys, video 14, I'm just going to touch on the lookalike audiences and give you a bit of an overview of how Facebook builds the lookalike audiences and what they're sort of made up out of. So very basically, what Facebook does is they collect a lot of data points on you, and there's anywhere from 200 to 2,000 data points. No one really knows, but just for an example, one of those data points is every comment you've ever written. Another one is every message you've ever written, every picture you've posted, every picture you've liked, every website you've ever been on, your credit card history, your search history. You know, Facebook has access to your microphone, so they will turn on your microphone and listen to your conversations sometimes. If you have Facebook Messenger, you've actually given them permission to do that. They do turn on your microphone and listen to you sometimes. There is, you know, every place you've checked into, every hotel you stayed at, every friend's comment you've liked, their comments, like everything. Facebook collects 1,000 different data points on you. So when they're making these lookalike audiences, what they'll do is inside of your custom audience, when you make a custom audience of, let's say, purchases, you might have 100 people in that custom audience. So out of that 100 people, there's going to be similar data points among all those people, whether it's, you know, they've visited similar websites or they've liked certain pictures or they're parts of the same similar groups. These data points in some of them are going to be the same. So when you make lookalike audiences, what you're essentially doing is you're telling Facebook, hey, these are the data points of all the people that have purchased. Go and find people with similar data points as those. So that's essentially what a lookalike audience is. It's an audience made up of people that have similar data points than your custom audiences. So hopefully that makes sense. It might be a little bit confusing, but it's just a very quick overview of how the custom audiences and lookalike audiences work. In the next video, I'm going to dive more into lookalike audiences and how to build them and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks, guys.